Welcome back to the Central Jersey Arts Council. My name is Elham and today we're creating a bouncy ball. I hope everyone had a safe and happy new year. Let's kickstart this month with a fun and easy DIY craft that only needs 4 ingredients. Grab yourself a half cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of borax, 1 to 2 tablespoons of clear glue or glitter glue. Now if you don't have glitter glue, just grab yourself some glitter and we're gonna create our bouncy ball. Let's get started. Be sure to have an adult present for this craft since one of our ingredients we'll be using is borax. Our first step is to dissolve 1 tablespoon of borax into half cup of warm water. Make sure you stir and get everything combined. Make sure you dissolve your borax solution completely. You could use a spoon or a coffee stir, whichever you have lying around. Once your borax solution has completely dissolved, I'm gonna add a couple dashes of glitter and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Slowly add your glue of choice into your bowl of borax solution. A little tip is when you're adding your glue, the more you add, the bigger the ball. I did say to add 1 to 2 tablespoons to start. Go ahead and give that a stir. The minute the glue hits the borax solution, it's going to start to harden. So give that a stir right there. I'm going to take my ball out of the solution, place it on a plate to continue to harden. If you have sensitive skin, you can use gloves for this part. Go ahead and shape your ball. It's going to feel like actually like a thick slime texture, but that's exactly what we want. And just go ahead and shape your ball. Now I did add 1 to 2 tablespoons, so that's going to create a smaller version of a bouncy ball, but that's okay. Let it sit out for a little bit to harden a little further, and that's it. You can continue using the solution that's remaining and add more glue and create more bouncy balls. And this is your final product, bouncy ball. Not bad. So this is a fun and easy project to do at home. It takes maybe 10 minutes. It is a bouncy ball. You could definitely literally just toss it after and create more. Not a big deal. There you have it, a fun and easy DIY project you could create at home. Like, share, and subscribe to Central Jersey Arts Council on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Bye for now.